Всем привет, с вами Eagle Dance. Сегодня я играю в очень интересную игру. Звук прибавим, давайте. The Wolf Amoung Us. Так, подождите секундочку. Понимаете, я первый раз сам ее запускаю. То... Бесплатно, ну она бесплатно, примерно 15 это английская, наверное, версия. Так, что сам этот будем играть? Я не знаю. Сейчас посмотрим, что будет. Извините, реклама. Грузись. Давным-давно в Нью-Йорке. Дальше я не могу перевести. Там fairy tale, сказка. Видимо, это этот. Wolf. Это же как волк, видимо, этот.
Today again if you missed it, record for the date, hottest ever in June, 103 now, and that humidity looks low, but remember, the hotter the air is, the more moisture it can hold. So 103 with 31% humidity is a lot more humid than, say, 73 with 31% humidity. And it is muggy out there.
Ну вот, я понял, что про этого... Я забыл, как... Я забыл, как называется. Человек, короче, превращается в волка по ночам. Оборотень, волк. Про оборотень, наверное. Это оборотень. Я видел эпизоды, но самой игры я не... как бы не входил. Ну, не разумел они, да.
Mr. Toad? Oh, shit. Bigby! Listen, mate, I know I don't look human. It's a problem, I get it. I just stepped out the apartment for just a second to see what kind of damage this drunk shit is doing. Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get me glamour first thing in the morning. Cross my arm. No need to kick up a fuss. I've heard enough of your excuses, Toad. This is unacceptable.
Я не понимаю, о чем я нажал просто.
Can't afford to look human. You're going to the farm. It's as simple as that. You can't send me up to live with those animals. You know what I mean. Go see a witch. Get a glamour. Bigby, they're bleeding me dry, mate. The quality of the spout goes down, but the rates keep climbing up. Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in glamour? I don't make the rules. Sorry. I can't give you a free pass on this, Toad. My hands are tied. Right. There's too much at stake. Whatever it costs, it's worth it. You don't want me catching you out of glamour again. You know. See? This is what I told you about, Sheriff. You're just gonna stand there, do something, Bigby, before he completely tears up the place. What exactly do you want me to do? I want you to throw the fucking woodsman out of here. Drunk shit. He's been going on like that for hours. Turn this place to dust if you let him. He's in a fucking rage. This is the last straw, Bigby. He has to go.
What the fuck?
You're the landlord, Toad. This is something you should be doing. Oh, yeah, that'd be a fair fight. You're the sheriff, Bigby, and the man's clearly disturbing the peace. Or whatever a Monday cop would call it. Wait, you're not worried about his acts, are you? I know you two have history, but I'm not worried. Right, of course.
Fuck you!
I didn't know anyone else was up there.
Похоже, только на вопросы отвечаешь.
Furry prick of shite. Tell me how to spend
Пиши в
my
комментах,
money.
мне дальше ее
Dad,
снимать или нет.
the lights are shaking again.
What did I say? You want a big bad wolf to take you away?
Что за хрень?
No.
Then get the fuck back inside.
Что делать дальше, интересно?
You're gonna know who I fucking am, you hear me? Hey, look at me.
Stop, okay? Just what? Let go.
God damn you! Know who I am now? Hey!
You've got something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid cunt? I'll fucking kill you! Alright, what's going on here? What are you gonna fucking do, huh? Get the fuck out of the way before you get the axe again. You're drunk, alright? Think this through. If you keep on like this, I won't have any choice but to put you down. Put me down? You got a shit fucking memory, Wolf. That's not how it went last time. This isn't last time.
Ух ты, везет. Прикольная игра. Ой, полезла. Как щет. Мне, кстати, не очень хороший. Меня сейчас убьют. На, зараза. На, тварь. Сдохни. Дебил. Ну все, тебе капец. Он меня убил. Хреновая игра. Не рассчитывал. Так, давайте заканчивайте на этом. Я вот не понимаю. Не надо меня заливать потом комментами, что вот, ты ничего не понимаешь, как ты можешь так говорить. Ладно, всем удачи, всем пока. С вами был Выдержал. Подписывайтесь на канал, ставьте лайки. Всем удачи, всем пока.